The modern GCC operates at an incredible scale. Across the UAE and the wider region, we are building a hyper-dynamic economy driven by speed, massive infrastructure, and relentless ambition. But underneath that modern exterior, many scaling businesses still rely on a fragile foundation, traditional static spreadsheets, to manage millions of dirhams and complex logistics. Entering data manually cell by cell creates immediate vulnerabilities. A single misplaced decimal point cascades through the entire document, resulting in disconnected data silos and significant security gaps. This is a physical ledger, the traditional route of historical tracking. When a business relies on manual, unintegrated methods like this, the process of physically reconciling numbers creates bottlenecks that choke cash flow, delay employee payrolls, and generate inaccurate tax reports. In a highly regulated market, clinging to disconnected data carries a direct, severe operational risk for any growing company. Enterprise resource planning systems, like Hinawi ERP, centralize these disparate tasks within a 3D digital architecture built specifically for regional scale. At the center of this network sits the general ledger. It acts as the immutable single source of truth, capturing every single transaction in one organized command repository. From that core, the accounts payable module manages your liabilities. It automatically tracks due dates and processes multi-currency payments to your suppliers, protecting your liquidity. At the same time, the accounts receivable module brings capital back in. It automates invoicing and immediately flags overdue accounts to streamline your inbound cash flow. By automating both inbound and outbound payments, your finance team can shift their focus towards strategic cash flow analysis rather than administrative payment chasing. This architecture must also navigate strict local regulations. Businesses in the GCC face unique mandates, including the UAE's value-added tax, Saudi Arabia's Fatura e-invoicing standards, and rigid labor laws. Generic global software often fails here. A natively localized system filters every transaction automatically, applying the exact VAT rates and generating Federal Tax Authority compliant records without requiring your team to do manual math. It handles payroll the same way. By integrating human resources directly, the system automatically calculates salaries and generates the specific salary information file, or SIF, mandated by the Wages Protection System. Embedding regional rules directly into the software architecture transforms compliance into an automated, invisible shield for the business. This core architecture adapts to solve highly specific bottlenecks. For manufacturing factories, the system utilizes exact job costing and a bill of materials, a comprehensive list of every component in a product, to track raw materials and expose hidden losses in the production lifecycle. Meanwhile, contracting and real estate firms rely on the system to track real-time profit and loss for individual projects, alongside rigorous management of post-dated checks to secure their cash flow. And retail and trading businesses use it to manage advanced multi-warehouse inventory. It automates landed cost calculations, adding shipping and customs fees directly to the product's base price to protect their actual margins. These are vastly different physical industries, but they all utilize the exact same underlying digital architecture to eliminate operational blind spots and calculate true profitability. To deploy this system efficiently, small and medium enterprises across the region are rapidly adopting cloud SaaS, or software as a service, models. Traditional on-premise servers require heavy capital expenses and constant IT maintenance. Cloud solutions convert that burden into a subscription, offering immediate agility and automated enterprise-grade security. This provides remote scalability. An executive in Dubai can securely access synchronized financial data from a branch in Riyadh instantly. Total integration destroys data silos. Your customer relationship management tools, inventory trackers, and HR departments automatically feed raw data directly into the central accounting core in real time. Because no one has to copy and paste numbers between departments, your system instantly produces highly accurate profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow statements. This integration provides leadership with the immediate visibility needed for proactive, confident decision-making based on current facts rather than historical estimates. It is time to eliminate operational drag. Request a personalized demo of Hinawi ERP today and upgrade your digital infrastructure to scale with the modern GCC.